be this simple Christmas bold classic look. This look screams Christmas this time of year. I love it. I will definitely be wearing this to future events all month long. So I hope you guys like this video. Please leave me your holiday Christmas request down below and I will film it. Make sure you're subscribing, your bell selected so you don't miss out on any videos that I do upload. I hope you like this one. So let's get started. Okay, so I've gone ahead and already added my foundation, which is the Sephora shade 29 in medium. I have also put on my blush, my bronzer, contoured my face, did my eyebrows. What we're gonna do now is I'm gonna put a little bit of the Makeup Geek Forever. I like to put just a little bit on the tip of my nose and the Cupid's bow. We're going to play with the Sephora Pro to go in with the color Blonde, which is this one. Now I'm going to use Warm Cedar, put into the crease, holding the brush from the tip and the windshield wiper motion. Add a little more to deepen it up, and I'm layering it and going under the eye. I am so sorry guys, I deleted part of this video, so I do apologize. But I will tell you that I used my MAC paint on my lid and I used a different brush to pick up the shimmer Dew Drop color from the palette and added a little to my lid and the inner corner. You will notice if you use a wet product, it will pick up the pigment even more. Now I'm going to use ink liner. I'm going to make a straight line with a very fine brush. In my waterline, I'm using my eyeliner, which is a pink liner, then adding some mascara and my lashes. I used MAC Cherry Lip Pencil and MAC Ruby Roo Retro Matte Lipstick. I lined and overlined and filled in my lips with the pencil because that does create a base so the lipstick won't go anywhere. This is the final look. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching. I want you to go out with your new Christmas bold look and be fancy and fabulous, and I hope to see you in the next video.